Nails that I'm using are these Kiss Broadway. These are press-on nails, or they're basically full cover nails that look like this. As you can see, a few of them have popped off, and I'm kind of not really sure why these didn't last as long as I expected them to, because I typically have been using this brand, which is SensationNail, and these have lasted me 2 weeks without coming off. The Kiss nails, I tried these for the first time and they only lasted me about 3 days before a lot of them started popping off. Actually, some of them popped off the next day. I don't know if because the glue might be old. I bought this at a beauty supply store, so sometimes the glue gets old and it doesn't stick very well. It could also be because of the shape of these nails. My nails, as you can see, are super short. I have tiny baby nails, and I really like the shape of these, but I think my nails are not naturally as curvy as these. So anyhow, I'll show you guys what I do. I've got, looks like only 3 nails lasting right now, so I need to put on 8 nails. Wait, that's how many nails? Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nails? I can't count. Okay, so what I do is I pick out the nails that are going to fit onto my fingers like that, and I put them out here. And also, let me tell you guys what I use for my glasses. I use these, they're called Calibria, and I got these off of Amazon, and this pair is 6x magnification. I also have a pair that is 8x magnification. I'll be using those today. But yeah, I have my contacts in and I use the 6x magnification. But these particular full cover tip, I don't know if I will use this brand again. I'll probably just go back to the SensationNail because I had no issues with SensationNail. And this is the kind that it is. It's Kiss full cover nails, and this is the short length. So I have this file is for shaping. I don't really have to shape a whole lot. These are already pre-shaped for the most part. They're like square. This is also another file that I use. I use orange sticks. I use non-acetone nail polish remover. The colors that I have is Ice Dream by SinfulColors. This one is called Mist-Erious. It's also by SinfulColors. It's kind of like a light blue with gold shimmer to it. I got some 70% alcohol. My top coat out the door buffer, which has a shine side, but I'm just gonna use this to buff. What I do is I just put a tiny drop of glue and move it around to cover my entire nail bed, and just place the nail right there on top and hold it down for just a few seconds, maybe like 10 seconds. The Mist-Erious SinfulColors.